Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the equivalent fractions in fractions. What is the equivalent fractions? Before going into that, let me discuss about with the diagram. This is a box. You have a shaded portion in this box in the square. That is half of the square is with shaded. Half of the square is shaded. Here we also shaded half of the square, but this is divided into 4 parts. So 2 by 4th part is shaded. And here we have shaded same half part, but with this is divided into 8 parts. So 4 by 8 part is shaded. These 3 fraction values are same. Same shaded portion we have. So they have the value is same. These type of fractions or these numbers are different, but values are same. These type of fractions is known as equivalent fraction. What is the equivalent fraction? The fraction with the same values. Fractions with the same values are known as equivalent fraction. This 1 and 2 by 4, 4 by 8 or equivalent fractions. Fractions with same value are known as equivalent fractions. Fractions with same value or equivalent fractions. What are they called? Are called equivalent fractions. Previous what we got? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 3 by 6, 4 by 8. This are equivalent fractions because 2 by 4 divided by 2 what do we get? 2 divided by 2 1. 4 divided by 2 2. 1 by 2 I say by 3 by 6. Divide with 3. We have to get 1 on the top. So divide everything with same number. 1 by 2. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 3 divided by 6 is equal to 2. So these are the equivalent fractions. Next, what is that? They gave some explanation. Test for equivalent fractions. What is the test for equivalent fractions? Suppose they give some fractions, 2 fractions. We have to test whether they are equivalent or not. So they gave one example in that. What is that? 1 by 2 and 8 by 6. 1 by 2 and 8 by 16. How we have to check these two are equivalent? First, multiply the numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. Numerator and denominator. Numerator of first fraction with the denominator of second fraction. Multiply 1 into 16. Next, multiply the denominator of first fraction with numerator of second fraction. Multiply denominator of first fraction with numerator of second fraction. 2 into 8. 1 into 6. 1 16 is 16. Whenever you multiply with a 1, you always number 1. Then what is the 2 8s are 16. Both numbers are equal? Yeah, they are equal. So these two numbers are equivalent fraction. And we have another one. 3 into 3 by 7 and 15 by 20. 3 by 7 and 15 by 20. Now, first we have to multiply the numerator of first fraction with denominator of second fraction. Numerator of first fraction is 3, denominator of second fraction is 20. Next, denominator of first fraction with numerator of second fraction. Denominator of first fraction, numerator of second fraction. 0. 2 3s are 6. 5 7s are 15 7s are 15 7s are 90 105. Is they equal? No, they are not equal. They are not equal. So these two fractions are not equivalent fractions. They are not belong to equivalent fractions. The fractions with same value, but these values they are different value. So they are not equivalent fractions. Next, what is the topic? Forming the equivalent fraction. Forming the equivalent fraction. How you form a fraction into the equivalent fraction? Suppose we will take in the previous example 1 by 2. We got 2 by 4 are the same. So how will you form 1 by 2 into 2 by 4? This is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 2. So how will you form 1 into 2 equal to 2. Multiply both with 2 and by 2 into 2. 4. 2 by 4. So when you want to go into higher terms, these are the lower terms, these are the higher terms. That is highest number of the previous this number. Then we have to multiply. Multiply the same letter with numerator and denominator, you will get the equivalent fraction. Next, if we want to go from 2 by 4 to 1 by 2, that is the lower terms, we have to divide. So 1 by 2 means divide. So what do you get? 1 by 2. For higher terms we have to multiply, and for the lower terms we have to divide. We have two examples here we will discuss. Example 2. Find an equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 having a denominator 20. Find an equivalent fraction for 3 by 4 with the denominator. 20 should be the denominator. We don't know what is the numerator, but 20 should be denominator. In fourth table, where you will get 20? 4 5s are 20. That is 4 into 5. Right? 4 into 5. Divide 20 by 5, you will get 5. So 4 into 5. Denominator and numerator we have to multiply with the same number. 3 into 5. Then 15 by 20. This is the 15. This is the 15. So 15 by 20 is the equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 with denominator 20. Next we have another example. Find an equivalent fraction. Example third, what is that? Find an equivalent fraction of with 6 as a numerator. With 6 as a numerator. Those 6 should be numerator. They don't know what is the denominator. So we have to go into the lower terms. So we have to divide. Before that, 18, 6. Where you will get 6? 6 3s is 18. 6 3s are 18. So first we have to divide. 3 and 21 divide with 3. So what you will get? 6 by 7. 6 by 7 is the equivalent fraction of 18 by 21. For the lower terms, we always have to divide. For the higher terms, we have to always multiply. Now we will go to the exercises. In exercise, we have the 8th bit. Complete these tables of equivalent fraction. Complete these tables of equivalent fractions. In table A, we have to multiply numerator and denominator by these numbers 2, 3, 5, 6. So I took second one. First and third is for homework. Second one. You have to multiply numerator and denominator by number 2. 1 into 2. 3 into 2 equal to 2 by 6. 2 by 6 is the equivalent fraction of 1 by 3. Next we have to multiply with 3. 1 into 3 and 3 into 3. What is 1 into 3 is 3 and 3 into 3 is 9. Next, again multiply with 5. 1 into 5 and 3 into 5 equal to 5 into 1 is 5. 5 into 3 is 15. Next, 6. Multiply with 6. 1 into 6 by 3 into 6. 1 into 6 is 6. 6 into 3, 18. Remaining 2, that is the first one 1 by 2 and third one 2 by 3 is for homework. Next in the bit second problem. 60 by 90. 1 and 3 is for homework. Now what they said in table 3? Divide numerator and denominator by 2, 3, 5, 6. Previous table we have multiplied. Now we have divided. So 60 divide 2 by 90 divide 2. 60 divided 2 will be 30. 0 as it is 2. 6 divided 2 is 3. And here 0 as it is 9 divided 2 will be 45. 90 divided 2 is 45. 4 table 8. 2 5 are 10. It is 45. 90 divided by 2 is 45. Now 3. 60 divided by 3 and 90 divided by 3. 360. 3 2s are 6. 0. That is 20. 90 divided 3. So 3 into 90. 3 3s are 9. And 0 0. That is 0. 30. Next 60 divided by 5. And 90 divided by 5. 560. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. So 12. It is 12. Five ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So we have to take 1. 9 minus 5 will be 4. 40. 5 8s are 40. 18. Next 60 divided by 6 by 90 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6. 9 minus 6 3 and 0. 0 as it is. So 30 where is 30 in 6 5s are. That is 15 answer. 6 60. 6 ones are 6. 0 0 that is 0. 10. Remaining 1 and 3 do for the homework. Homework. Learn equivalent fractions. Today we discussed. And next in exercise 6.1 do A with remaining problems. In table A and B we have two problems for the homework. Do them. And next learn tables up to 15. Learn. Tables are very required for your fractions. Thank you.